Hello, if you are wondering if there is a case inside the box of Motorola Edge 50 Pro, then the answer is yes, and let me show you. So in order to find the case, of course we need to open the box, but we want to take this part of the box aside, and we only need this one, because if you rotate over here we have our case. We need to take it out from the box, so let me try to do that. Sometimes it takes out quite easily, and sometimes I have trouble with it, so let me actually try to grab it, and there we go. You can actually open this, and then you can easily take it out, like so. Once we take this part out, over here you can already see the case. And this is how it looks like. So it's a pretty simple case that we can use for our Motorola Edge 50 Pro. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.